Hi everyone, we are AirSoft Taiwan. Today we have a new product from the GHK. It's the AUG A2 GBB assault rifle. And later we'll tear it apart and field strip it and test the recoil for you. Okay, now we field strip this AUG. You can see it's almost identical, just like the real weapon. The auto barrel, the lower receiver, upper receiver, magazine, trigger box, and the lock pin, and the stop butt. Now we talk about the barrel system. The inner barrel is long enough for the airsoft player. Actually, this is from the M16A2 inner barrel and this is from the M4. Compared with the AUG A2 inner barrel, you can see it's just a little bit shorter than this M16A2. But actually it's even longer than the M4. And the outer barrel is long enough. And the flash hider, I think it's made of aluminum. And as for the upper receiver, the bullpup design, actually the nozzle and the ball set will hide inside behind this whole set. Okay, the nozzle is hide inside. And it comes with a scope. This scope can able to zero in with your habit. And the first point is you got to zero in the horizontal first, then the vertical. And this is the lower receiver. It's made of plastic and there's a huge lock pin. You can pull it out so you can take out the upper receiver. And the safety is just behind the trigger. And the trigger set actually it's very simple, just a piece of plastic. And once you pull the trigger, there's a tap it moving back forward and trigger the trigger box. And this is the trigger box. Actually you can see the hammer, the fire pin, the valve lock, everything is right here. And the bolt stop. The bolt stop itself is made of steel, and later I'll tell you how it functions. The first is how it works. I told you there's a tap it inside the lower receiver, and there's the tap it pulled by trigger. It will start moving backward. And then there's a mechanism inside this groove, right? This tap it will trigger this mechanism and release the hammer. And once the hammer released, we'll press this fire pin to push the magazine valve and release the gas, so you can fire the BB bullet. And now I use the magnet to test these materials. The bolt stop, of course, is made of steel, but the fire pin, the hammer and sear, valve lock, everything, it seems made of zinc. But these pins, they are made of steel, no problem. Okay, now we want to test the recoil. We use the .2 BB and green gas. And here's the first shot. Okay, the FPS reach about 394 is probably about 120. And the recoil kicks about 4.4. Okay, the next shot. The next shot, the FPS reach about 389 and it goes to about 118 and the kicks about 4.5. Okay. Okay, the last shot, the FPS reach about 381 and it about 116 and it kicks about 4.4. Okay. So actually this weapon kicks about 4.4. It's maybe a little bit higher than the average standard M4 performance, but the FPS is also good performance. So I think it have a good balance between the kick and the FPS. And here's our test today. And if you like this product, please order from the AirSoft Taiwan online shop. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.